So Office 365, which version do you need? I get this question a lot from business owners, home users. It's awfully confusing to figure out which version of Office 365. Now that Microsoft doesn't give you discs for Office anymore and they've forced you into this online buying process. So we'll go to the office.com website and look at our various options here. I'll look at the home options first, but let's just go to office.com. And there are many flavors both for home and for business. So we'll look at the home options first. Now this is for both Windows and Mac and Android and any iThingies you have. And that's true for both the home and business versions. So right now we're looking at US prices, but Canadian prices are pretty much the same. And you get all the apps, including Publisher. I often get asked that question. It also comes with a few other features. Yes, it works with your mobile device. You get well, there's so-called expert tech support, but you also, it does work perfectly with Windows 10. And of course, yes, need help now? No thanks, I can figure out my own sales process. But there's two flavors of the personal version we want to look at. This one is for the individual. So if you just need it for one person, and that includes one license for a laptop, one for desktop, and one for a tablet, and one for your phone. The other option is the home version. So you're a couple, you've got kids, you've got multiple people living in one dwelling, and this is a really good bang for buck. You get licenses for 5 users for about $100 a year. This is the best bang for buck you can get. Now, you do need a Microsoft account to set this all up. And my second thing is that when you're using this, it does work better on Windows if you're using Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge, the replacement for Internet Explorer. So we're going into actually installing Office once you've bought this puppy. And it'll tell you how many you've used, and then it'll take you into the different install options. So you can even do different languages as well. And you can deactivate it. So say if you've got a dead computer, you can deactivate it. So you can actually use the different languages. So I have one client, she's got 2 kids who are in bilang. So we could do French for them if you want it. And then you get the different options. So if you required to go back to Office 2013 because your application only works with it, you have that option, and also 32-bit versus 64-bit. Most people should be using 32-bit for compatibility. So that's the basic look of that. So let's go back and look at the business options for all my small business clients. Particularly if you're a Dropbox user, you're going to want to look at the business options. So we'll scroll down, go for business, and again they're going to be overly helpful here and try and tell you which features you need, but they don't actually go through everything you want. So we'll scroll down. Oh yeah, sorry, we got to go get the see the plans and pricing. Skip through the marketing crap. They're going to try and help you with these options. I recommend you scroll down further. Most of business clients are going to be interested in Office 365 Business and Office 365 Premium. The difference is if you've already got email hosted somewhere and you're happy with it, you're going to want the Office 365 Business. If you want Exchange, you want Premium. Again, Business, you don't get the Skype minutes you get with Premium, but you do get all the applications. With Premium, you get what used to be known as SharePoint. That's now OneDrive for Business. You also get what's called Skype for Business, which used to be known as Link. Now, if you choose Office 365 Business Premium, you do need an IT specialist to set this thing up because it is quite complicated. It is not user-friendly. Microsoft may say, oh, no, you can do this yourself. Don't believe them for a second. It's just too complex. It's too easy to screw things up. And as I said before, it's for both PC and Mac, Android, iOS, any iThingy, any tablet or phone you have, it should work with. You can use the online versions of Office, like log in through the portal. They tend to be pretty basic, but that is an option if you have very simple Office needs. Using Dropbox, you're getting 1 terabyte of storage with this. And the other thing that they don't talk about is when you go with Exchange Online, when you get the Office 365 Premium, it's all synchronized. So on every device, your email, calendar, and contacts are synchronized. Corporate social network, they're talking about the Yammer. So if you're using some of those other things, you might look at Yammer. And it's up to 300 users. So one of the advantages of going with Office 365 or in any of its flavors is that you're constantly up to date. That's also one of the problems. You're always going to be getting updates, but in terms of security, having constant updates is a really good thing. So I've gone back to my my personal account here so you can see how the Office 365 Home works. And again, as I said, you can deactivate it. You can deactivate it in Business as well. So you have an employee who leaves, you can deactivate their Office software on their personal laptop or on their phone or tablet so you get those licenses back.